short, much easier to test. They're very straightforward. The counterpart of aggregators are integrators, and those are usually sites that rely heavily on content, SaaS sites, maybe publishers, and that's where every page pretty much looks different, right? The content is very different. You don't have a product catalog, you don't have the same elements, you have a variety, and that demands a fundamentally different type of testing. And that's where we often speak about before and after testing, where basically you make a change and then you just see, does traffic go up or down? Does click-through rate go up or down? Clicks, impressions, those kind of things. And those are valuable, but we often disregard that we can also do a form of split testing on non-templatized pages. And this is, if there's one more controversial statement that you would want to take away from our conversation, I think it would be is that these before and after tests are actually not very valuable. And instead, you want to adopt a split testing mindset, even when it comes to non-templatized pages.
Right, but if it's non-templated, it's an enormous amount of work to go through to actually split test, because you need to apply them on a one-by-one basis or be incredibly smart with your regex in your database.
That's right. And so here's what you want to do about this. So first of all, you can still look for control groups, even if not all pages are templatized. It is more work. And best case, you have some sort of telemetry or tool that helps you do that. But even manually, you can just see, okay, which pages have the same traffic patterns over a long span of time. Right? We're going to get into testing, into test design in just a moment, and what factors are important. But just know that you can still pick control groups even if pages don't have the exact same template.
Right. Okay. And right, in that case,